Thank you for joining us today at this important IDC Solar Indaba. We are delighted to have you here, our valued clients, together with our key partners. We are deliberately breaking down the walls between you, our customers, the regulators, to even the playing field. As SERA and EEC are not here as adults. They are here as experts to help you navigate compliance, licensing, and technical standards.
Emandla ekulicense kusukela noma eku-approve ema-installations kusukela ku-99 buya pass. Lawo regulator uwanike EEC noma loyo lokuthengisela gas. Kuthi akhona kubuka lokho kuthi uyacomply. Akusho kepha ukuthi noma songu-100 kuye entulu loyo lokusupplya ngagesi noma labo basemagesini baba outside the picture. Bayayenda that assessment la bayenda from 99 below baphindze bayende nala 100. But bangayenda bese sesiyabuya ke thina futhi as regulator we do another additional assessment kuze kuthi ngoba siyathi lokho ukuthi idulile isola ema-financiers are worried, so we need to make sure lokho ukuthi vele before ulicense noma before uqale kusebenza lemvo vele itawusebenza sikhona uku-advise accordingly.
La bill angiboni njengoba bebeka babe lapha ngiyathi ukuthi ucabe ngakuthathaphe ngoba kamuka nje kamuka iphepha kamuka leka iswethu ukuthi nayi imali lomele ukuthi uyibhadala uthi ngoba ngidleni ngihle njani ngingadi.
Ngiyacela nithi nikuphasisa letinto noma nitinisa ukuthi ilungisa nisiva sikhuluma la. Lungiselelani ukuthi site si happy litawuma le live ngifuna kunitshela nginithembise lokho. Litawuma le live licine kugesi uma ngabe ningeke nibe letingabelelo elikhulu ukuze lamaswati ende ukhiqita gesi eSwatini.
Umlawuli ngathi ubuka kakhulu on the existing customers lo shokuthi ama farmers because ngibona ngathi vele ugcile kakhulu kulama farmers lekungona ama customer IDCE.
Maye ngiva buhlungu mina ngingi-agro ngikhanza imali lengiyibhadala noma nginganiseli linile litulu solo ngibhadala yona.
EEC uyayisupporta isolar as long as integrated safely, as long as compliant, because sifuna le grid ngoba le grid akusiya EEC, it's a national asset. Na ku destroyeka le grid sho silive because kufuna bese ukubuka at uba ne bets IV ukuthi if sithi nje nguthela wayeka ngenteka collapse le grid and na collapse le grid, it's a national asset. The country or the country, yes, and the economy will be compromised ngekuthi sesifakile nje masola everywhere. So kuyafuna naloko ukuthi sibambisana sonke ke. It's not a one person's job ngifuna ukuthi one man's, but sesalinganisa one person's, one woman's show.